Hey everybody, Emily here. It's a beautiful day outside as you can see, and I have never wanted to make a breakfast crepe more than right now. So if you'll come with me, we're going to go on a short backpacking trip and make a breakfast crepe in Camp Kitchen. Crucial piece of this Camp Kitchen experience is that you should wash your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and warm water. I did that before I left my house, and I sang Paradise by John Prine. Awesome. Alright, I'm going to grab a torch. Get some nice crunchy. I'm personally a crunchy person. I really like the texture that it offers. Now I'm going to add a lot of other sweet ingredients because that's what I have. So we've got some honey. Now I've got my whole container of brown sugar that I brought from my house. Oh yeah. Maybe just a little bit more for good measure. Perfect. Alrighty, and then again, I'm into elevating the texture of the breakfast crepe, making it a little bit exciting. I haven't been to the grocery store in a while, so I don't have any apples, which is what I would usually put in here for some health and for that crunch factor. I'm going to go with some pumpkin seeds instead. Shake a couple on. Perfect. Use my oil, backpacking sized oil for sure. Get a little drop of that on here. Great. Alright, I'm just going to let that heat up for a second and put my breakfast crepe in half. I'm going to plop that in there and let it sizzle, you know? Alright everybody, we are ready to eat. So I'm just going to turn off my stove. Fantastic. Serve myself my beautiful breakfast crepe. Great color on there, some melting of the peanut butter. It's pretty warm, so I might burn my tongue. It's a beautiful day for a breakfast crepe.